Hi students, welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to learn about the first application of e-commerce, that is e-entertainment. Entertainment means it is a form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience or gives pleasure and delight. What is meant by entertainment? It is a form of activity. It is a form of activity to grab the interest of an audience. Okay. And it can be an idea or a task, but is more likely to be one of the activities or events that have developed over thousands of years specifically for the purpose of keeping an audience attention. Means this entertainment is not there here in nearby years, right? It is there from thousands of years ago. Okay, the way of entertainment methods are different, but it is there from a long back. See. Let us see what are the advantages of e-commerce for entertainment. Okay, for entertainment purpose, how e-commerce is useful. Let us see. Establish an online presence. More than 80% of the online population has used the internet to purchase something. Your customer expect you to be available, and the presence allows you to keep up with the competitors. Otherwise, your audience will flocking forward your competitors to make an online purchase. What's happened establishing an online business means the e-commerce business man, the e-commerce businessman should be available to whom? His customers. If he is absent for some time, when he is searching over the internet, if this application is not present, means what will happen? The customers will divert to another e-commerce application. Okay. This entertainment started in the middle of about 1950. Okay. When the storage concept come, first when we want to listen a song, in the initial stages at 1950s, we are listening through the cassette tapes, right? Later CDs came, and later many pen drives, using pen drives we had. Soon after, day by day it is increasing the technology, right? Okay. Attract new customers. As a business owner, you want to grow your business and attract new audience. Entertainment relies on branding and customer relationships, but online has the added benefit of driving traffic from the search engine. If a customer is doing a search for photo editing software, for instance, they may land on your company even though they were never heard about your website. What will happen when you are searching something in internet? Means on search engine, Google is a search engine. Okay, on Google, if you have typed something for some kind of information, you have typed. If you type for something, there some ads or some links will be provided with the search engine. Means what is happening? Attracting new customers. That is a method of the attracting new customers, who are not visited to our website. They can also visit to our website directly through the search engines, driving profit. What it means? Driving, searching and driving profit. Okay. And save in operational cost. Running an e-commerce store can actually save your money. How? With a web-based management system, you can automate inventory management and decrease the cost associated with it. Also, running an e-commerce store does not come with all the benefits with are there all the overhead costs as a physical store. The additional profit that is made from reaching more customers will offset at any initial stage. Inventory management. Here we have to talk about what? Inventory management. Inventory management means it is a systematic approach. It is a systematic approach of sourcing, storing and selling. What it is? It is a systematic approach of sourcing, storing and selling. Okay. Sourcing. Sourcing means what? From where we have to take the goods. Storing means what? How we have to store the goods, and selling means how to sell the goods. Right? It may be goods, components may be goods or some information. Right? Okay. Better understand your customers. This is what is saving operational cost. We are saving our operational cost by following what? Inventory management. Okay. Better understand your customers. Okay. It's difficult to build a customer persona when you are running a mom and pop shop. You can get a rough idea of who your customer are, but it's based on the customer interest. It completely based on customer interest. How you can understand your customer? What is the product he is searching, right? If you are maintaining the data of the product which is searched by the customer, you can understand. Means he is interested in this type of products. Okay, but you can analyze that. If think you are a e-commerce application owner, you can understand a customer by analyzing the way to which products he is more interested to buy. Okay. Next, boost brand awareness. E-commerce will help your brand get more awareness in the online landscape. As you develop more web pages, the search engine can index them and boost your placements. It's important to use good keywords in your content that are optimized for your audience, as this is what will drive traffic to your site. As your site gets more visibility, people will become familiar with your brand and reputation. Okay. Here what we are doing, better understanding your customer means you are products to which customer is interested. Customer is interested to buy. Or last time product he bought. Okay. Whereas boost brand awareness, this is better understanding your customer means through this way only we can understand the customer. Boost brand awareness. Brand awareness means what? You have to, for your products you have to give different keywords. Means it should be related to the product only. You cannot give different name. Okay. The product name should be in a way that which is related to the product only. Suppose if you are having cloth business, right? If you are having cloth business, you have to give the product names different styles of designs. That's it. You cannot give other type of keywords. If you are using another type of keywords, what will happen? Your products are invisible to the customers. Okay. And equip customers with information. When you have an e-commerce site, you can provide as much information as you want which customer appreciate. From the product description to customer reviews to shipping charges, you can, or shoppers with the information they need to make informed buying choices, and you don't need to provide the staff to answer these questions. This leaves you with more time for other tasks around the workplace. Means you have to equip customers with information. Information means what? What is the kind of he booked, at what time and date he have booked, in how many days it will reach to the customer. That all information have to be maintained by the e-commerce application, right? Okay. By maintaining this, the customer cannot face any trouble in purchasing. This leaves you more time for other tasks around the workspace. There is no need of a staff to answer. No need of staff to answer queries by customer. Means the e-commerce application will only gives the information, that is where your product, whether it is in a shipping place, whether it is in a delivered, whether it is in a arrived within a time, everything will be maintained there. Okay. If we see forms of e-entertainment, online gaming, media portals and media streaming. These are the forms of e-entertainment. Okay. Online gaming means an online game is a video game that is either partially or primarily played through the internet or another computer network. Online games are modern gaming platforms including PCs, consoles and mobile devices, and span many generations, including first-person shooters, strategy games and massively multiplayer online role-playing games. Here, online gaming means we can play a game in a computer, we can play the same game in our smartphone, and also we can play a game in a different consoles. Consoles means what? Like an example of a latest version of the TVs. Okay. Here, this online gaming future, what it will do? Online game culture sometimes faces criticism for an environment that might promote cyberbullying, violence and xenophobia. Some games are also concerned about gaming addiction or social stigma. Online games have attracted players from a variety of ages, nationalities and occupation. Online game content can also be studied in scientific field, especially gamers' interactions within virtual societies in relation to behavior and social phenomena of everyday life. See, not only advantages, we are having pleasure to play the games, but there are a lot of disadvantages to the online games. It varies from the age, means all are interested to play the games over the internet, right? It does not matter the age group. The disadvantage is that they will be addicted for the games. Okay, through that some violence will be generated in the society, right? For example, if we consider as a PUBG game, right? Many are addicted to that, and some are games are, they will psychologically convert the candidate to do some kind of things which are harmful to them. Okay, if we see massively MMORPG means what? Massively multiplayer online role playing games. Okay, means why we are calling this as a massively multiplayer online role playing game means what? Different locations can be played by different users and different age groups and different areas, means different localities. Means these games can be played locally or nationally or internationally, right? If you see some disadvantages, right? Addiction. This is one of the disadvantages of what? Online gaming. If you see media portals is an open source media center HTPC software project. Means in media portal you can consider HTPC, means home theater. HTPC means what? Home theater, personal computer. Home theater, personal computer. So this is a device which allows us to see all kind of videos, right? Including playing, pausing and recording live TV. We can record a live TV, we can pause and we can play all the DVDs, videos and music. We can also view the pictures and other functions also. Plugin allow it to perform additional tasks such as watching online video, listening to music from online services such as launching other applications such as games. It interfaces with the hardware commonly found in HTPCs. Okay, what it will do actually, plugin for to play any video there is needed of a plugin. Plugin means what? It is a software program. It is a software program to play a video. In your computer, right? Example, you can say Adobe Flash media player. Some of the media players are there. Otherwise, you should have some plugins to play the videos, right? In a program. And if you see media streaming is video or audio content sent in compressed form over the internet and played immediately rather than being saved to the hard drive. With the streaming media, a user does not have to wait to download a file to play it. Because the media is sent in a continuous stream of data, it can play as it arrives. Users can pause, rewind or fast forward just as they could with a downloaded file, unless the content is being streamed live. Means media streaming is one of the best example we can take nowadays. Amazon Prime. Okay. Some are online streaming. These are online streaming platforms. What we call online streaming platforms. Okay. And Netflix. Some of the online streaming platforms are what? Amazon Prime, AHA and Netflix. Okay, many will be there. Okay, what is the purpose of this? The data is compressed and completely it is sent to the client application to play. Okay, what is the difference of watching a video in YouTube and watching a video in Amazon Prime? Here in YouTube, the data, how much we have to wait for the data. Here no need of waiting. It is completely compressed and it is sent to the client application to play and to watch the video. Okay, because media is sent in a continuous stream of data, it can play as it arrives. It does not occupy video in online streaming does not occupy hard drive space, does not occupy video in media streaming, does not occupy means it is no need to that it is no need to save the data or no need to download the data to watch a video. Okay, directly you can watch it on media streaming only. So advantages, if you see, make it possible for users to take advantage of interactive applications like video search and personalized playlist. Allows content delivers to monitor what visitors are watching and how long they are watching it. Means what it can do, it can personalize the playlist. It can personalize the playlist and this server side will be monitored which data is viewed by how many viewers. The data can be monitored at where server side. Provides an efficient use of bandwidth because only the part of the file that's being transferred is the part that being watched. Efficient use of a bandwidth. Bandwidth means what? It provides efficient use of bandwidth. Bandwidth means amount of data transferred per unit time. Means amount of data transferred per minute or second or per unit time. Provides a content creator with more control over his intellectual property because the video file is not stored on the viewer's computer. Once the video data is played, it is discarded by the media player. What it will happen? Content creator who are maintaining this streaming platform, they cannot lose the data. Their video content cannot be affected. Why? Because it does not stored in the client side, right? So that's why it is safe. The client side, he can have the full control over the video content which he is showing in the client side. Media is usually streamed from pre-recorded files but also can be distributed as part of a live broadcast feed. In a live broadcast, the video signal is converted into a compressed digital signal and transmitted from a web server as a multicast, sending a single file to multiple users at the same time. Here, a single file can be sent to the multiple users at the same time. Streaming media is transmitted by a server application and received and displayed in real time by a client application called a media player. A media player can be either an integral part of the browser, a plugin, or a separate program, or a dedicated device such as iPod. Frequently, video files comes with embedded players. YouTube videos, for example, run in embedded flash players. Means here server applications to client application. The video is sending from where? From server application to client application. Client application, we call it as a media player. Or you can use some plugins, or each and every video will be having embedded. Every video will have embedded players. Okay, embedded means what? Within it. It is having within it. Okay. YouTube is having embedded flash players. YouTube runs in what? Embedded flash players only. Example, we can take here example as YouTube. Okay. This is about forms of e-entertainment. In the next class we will see e-marketing. Okay. Thank you for the day. Go through all the points which we discussed now. I will give the notes and read thoroughly the notes. You will get idea about forms of entertainment. Nothing is there. Just entertainment means how many types we have seen, we are seeing, we are going to see. Okay, right. Thank you.